Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your display language in Windows 11. So I'm going to show you a few methods. So for the first method, just simply right click on your start icon, then go to settings, then over there you will find time and language. Just simply click on it, then just simply click on the drop box for language and region. Then over here you can just simply click on add language if you want to add a new language. Now just simply add a language, for example Russian. So for adding the language, just simply click on that language and click on next over here. Then again click on install and the language has been added. After the language is downloaded, just simply sign out and sign back in, and over there you will find your new language. So just simply choose that language and the language will be selected. Now the next method is just simply go to your start menu and search for control panel, then open control panel. And over there you will find clock and region. Just simply click on clock and region, then click on change date and time over here, then go to administrative, then go to change system local, then click on this checkbox down here and choose the drop box, and over here you can choose again any language you want. Then just simply hit OK and the language will be changed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.